G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here, and welcome back to my channel, The Car Wash Chronicles. Back at the car wash, and it's the day. The day's finally here after weeks and weeks of hard work, money spent, painted, renovating this entire car wash. We're opening up today. If customers pull in, we are not going to turn them away. We're going to say, yes, we're open, go ahead and wash it. It's time to attach all the hoses, it's time to put the signs up, and it's time to test the bays and adjust everything the way I like it coming out. So let's go ahead and do all that and wait for the first customer to come in. Well, it's about that time. We have all the in-bay equipment. We have the pre-soak, we have the foam brush, we have the tire cleaner, and we have the high pressure water soap wax, aka spot free rinse. There it is, all there. We're gonna put all these together, assemble them. We're gonna put them up in the bay, and we're gonna turn it on, test it, see how it works. All right, so we'll start with the high pressure gun. I'm gonna go right in here. We got Edwin behind the camera.
Always.
What's going on, Edwin?
Always charging you for
Time.
For my time.
Swivel on the gun. Tighten it up. When you do this, you have to use the abs to hold one of them. Alright, so that's that.
Ready to go?
Bay 1.
About to go down. Are you sure you don't forget nothing this time?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Always forgetting. Wow. Good job.
Good.
Hey, we got Chris putting up this sign over here. It's looking great, Chris. What do you think?
I love it.
You love it, huh?
Love it.
You love
Nice.
the last parts.
Big words, big letters, nothing fancy, just what it is. High pressure soap and water, high pressure water, wax and spot free in the order that they use it. So it keeps it simple, stupid. So it's finally time to take down the banner. Car wash closing. After 30 plus years in Barstow, we are shutting down. We thank Barstow for its patronage. Well guys, Barstow, we're back open, we're back in business, so we can take this down, burn it, throw it away, do whatever we want, make a hot air balloon out of it, but it is gone. No more closing, just open. Well, one bay. We got one bay open for now. Officially open, one bay. Guys, come on in, come on in. Come on in, I need that money. So here it is, the open bay. Soap brush, high pressure. I ordered stickers, but for now I'll just put that. I got nice new ones coming on Wednesday. We finally got the new stickers. Looking good, better than the handwritten ones I had. $4 for 5 minutes, accepts token and quarters. Tokens. So that's looking pretty good, I'm happy with them. And then credit card readers, the MONEXgroup, they're gonna go right here. Holes are already drilled out, that's why that black tape's there, but tire wheel cleaner, strong dirt remover. So this is it, the completed bay. Ready for a customer. There we go, bye-bye. Put my new now open banner up. There it is, last one. Welcome back, Barstow Car Wash. Yoo-hoo! Trash it. Burn it. Kick it, spit on it. Here we have our first 2 customers. Wow, using the pre-soak.
You let me hanging, bro.
Oh, go ahead.
So we had 2 customers right now. Pretty excited. I feel like I'm the one that is doing a car wash. So we'll see what they say at the end. We're gonna, do a little interview at the end, and
Maybe.
and we go from there.
We'll see. Plenty of soap, plenty of soap. Look at that, look at that. First 2 customers ever. So here we have our first customer officially open today. So, sir, what did you think about the car wash?
Well, I thought the car wash was wonderful. Okay, so you come here. First of all, the hospitality is great. They welcome you in.
Thank you.
You can't get a better welcome than they do for you. And then they did a demonstration. I like that part. Most car wash you go to, you have to figure out what's going on.
Right.
These guys take you step by step.
There you go.
And that's what you want, step by step.
Yep.
And at the top of that, they tell you what each item that you're using, what benefits from it. You just don't turn it on, you got a bunch of soap, you don't know what you're doing. I like the way they demonstrate it.
Nice.
I like the way they welcome you in. Please, come and check them out.
All right.
Come check them out. They're beginning, but they're gonna be the best in Barstow.
There you go.
Don't be afraid to come and check these guys out. Yes, the new car wash.
There we go.
Here in Barstow.
All right.
We're installing the lights right now, which is like a blue street.
Are we able to plug them in so we can show them what it looks like?
You wanna do that?
All right, let's do this.
Okay, so ready to go. Let me know when you're ready.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. All right. 3, 2, 1.
Damn. That looks nice.
How does it look?
That looks nice.
Good.
Oh yeah. Kind of like Arco gas station. Once again, it's 9 o'clock at night, another 12-hour day. Super happy with it. I love these blue lights. Check that out. Catches the attention of cars driving by and it just looks amazing. It's like nightclub vibes. Woo. Well, we're gonna put up the now open sign to let people know that we are now open.
Of course, it's obviously right.
So it's just a little banner. It's nothing big, nothing obnoxious. Just a little something to tell people we are now open. Blue and white matches the car wash. That says whoppin'. That's a whoppin' car wash. Let them know. Let them know. Love these blue lights. Love these blue lights. So the lights just came on and something super cool, which I wasn't expecting. We hooked it up, but is it really gonna work? It's pretty old. Well, it works. Car wash sign lights up and it lights up so good. So cars driving by, I mean, look at that, big car wash. But there it is, look at that. Oh, I'm so happy that it works. I mean, I was looking at buying brand new ballasts. I was looking at getting new lights, but I don't have to. That's as good as it's gonna get for me.